when it comes to doing your shipping documents, it's kind of a scramble right towards the end. And if you're under a deadline to catch the boats when they need to be loaded, and then that weight and volume is what the shipping company uses to come up with your fee.
So I see some writing on here. What is this?
Right, so these are the boxes that are about ready to be loaded in the container. And these are shipping labels that were printed separately. And then you can see where the staff, after they loaded the boxes and they sealed it up, they counted the number of pieces, they noted the weight and the gross weight and the size plus the contents. The shipping marker was printed on the carton box, and it's got the quantity, the net weight, the gross weight, and the size measurement, plus what's inside, color and the size. Once the boxes are all ready and the third-party inspection has been done, the next step is to take these to the port. And at the port, the shipping company will receive them and take legal ownership and before it gets loaded on the ship. And the factory will provide you with a packing list. And the packing list will list each box, the content of each box, and the gross weight and the volume. And then that weight and volume is what the shipping company uses to come up with your fee for shipping.
Okay.
Yeah, but the thing is, you can't know the exact gross weight and the exact contents of the boxes until they've already been boxed up.
Okay.
It's just, it's just the nature of manufacturing. There's always changes, and
yes.
you just don't know until last minute. So when it comes to doing your shipping documents, it's kind of a scramble right towards the end. And if you're under a deadline to catch the boats, because the boats have deadlines when they need to be loaded, so the merchandising staff, they're under pressure to get the boxes packed, marked, get the packing list updated, and then get them shipped out. So it can be an administrative challenge.
Yeah.